Hello everyone, welcome to the last lesson of this course, which is about how to solve reference questions in TOEFL reading. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify what pronouns or phrases refer to in TOEFL reading passages. You will also learn how to correctly answer reference questions on the TOEFL ITP test. Reference questions are common in the TOEFL ITP test. They ask you to find what a pronoun, like it, they, or this, or a short phrase refers to in a reading passage. These questions test your ability to understand how different words and ideas are connected in the text. This lesson is for low-intermediate English learners at the A1 level. You will learn what reference questions are, how to solve them using important context clues, practice with examples, and take a mini-test to check your skills. Let's get started. So, what exactly are reference questions? These questions ask you to identify what a specific word or phrase in a passage refers to. These questions usually look like this. The word, it, in line X refers to. And then you will see four options. A, B, C, D. The word in the question is often a pronoun or a short phrase. To find what it refers to, you need to look carefully at the sentence with the word and, very importantly, the sentences before it. These questions test your ability to follow the flow of ideas as the passage develops. Why are these questions important for your TOEFL score? Reference questions are crucial because they help you understand how ideas connect in a passage. In the TOEFL reading section, passages have many pronouns, and knowing what each pronoun refers to helps you understand the text much better. This skill also saves you time because you can quickly find the correct answer by checking the immediate context. And it's a very useful skill for reading in real life, like when you read books, articles, or even emails, where pronouns are used all the time. Now, let's learn the steps on how to solve reference questions effectively. Follow these steps. First, find the word in the passage. Locate the word or phrase and its line number given in the question. Second, read the sentence. Read the full sentence where the word is located, and most importantly, also read the sentence before it. This is where the answer often is. Third, look for context clues. Check for nouns in the previous sentence or even in the same sentence that match the pronoun in terms of meaning and number, singular or plural. Fourth, match the pronoun. Try replacing the pronoun with each possible noun from the sentences you read. See if it makes sense. For example, if it refers to the book, say, the book was built in your mind. If it doesn't make sense, try another noun. Finally, check the answer choices. Pick the noun from the options that fits best with your understanding. Here's a tip. Practice by circling pronouns in short passages and then finding what they refer to. Time yourself to get faster. Let's look at some examples. Here is a short passage. Line 1. The Great Wall of China is a famous structure. Line 3. It was built to protect the country from enemies. Line 5. Workers used stones to make it strong walls. Line 7. They worked for many years to finish it. Line 9. Today, tourists visit this historic site. Now, let's try the question. Question 1. The word, it, in line 3 refers to. The word is, it, in line 3. Look at line 1. The Great Wall of China is a famous structure. Then line 3 says, it was built to protect the country. What was built? The Great Wall. So, it refers to the Great Wall. The answer is B. Now it's your turn to practice. Imagine you ask Gemini to analyze an image of a famous historical site and then provide a short description. Then, ask me 2 reference questions for TOEFL test for level A1. Then, Gemini will give you the request. And answer the questions. Question 1. In the first sentence, what does the word, they, refer to? Question 2. In the second sentence, what does the word, it, refer to? Finally, answer with the best option. And you will have a feedback. To become excellent at solving reference questions for the TOEFL, here are some key tips for success. First, always look at the sentence before the pronoun to find its reference. This is often where the answer is. Second, match the singular or plural forms of pronouns and nouns. If the pronoun is it, singular, its reference must also be singular. If it's they, plural, its reference must be plural. Third, test each answer choice by replacing the pronoun in the sentence. Does the sentence still make logical sense? This is a strong way to check your answer. And finally, practice identifying references in short texts often. This will help you improve your speed and accuracy before the TOEFL test.